So I'm here at Maker Central with our biggest Scalextric build. If you've not seen the build video, go and check it out. It's the Grand Prix, and this time it's not the Shadow Foam team that are racing on it, it's you guys, all of our viewers, everyone here at Maker Central, anyone who's done Shadow Foam projects. We've got some cool influencers doing it. Some of the makers are going to be racing on the track. We're going to be filling up that lap time board, and whoever gets the fastest lap by the end of Sunday goes away with that grand prize, the Makita Power Tool Kit, which is flipping awesome. I love it. Currently I'm going home with it, but we'll see how it stands at the end of Sunday. Let's get into it. Makita Power Tool Kit. I've set a time, 19.18. Feels like a pretty solid time. I did have some practice though, and we had a special guest come and test it as our second lap. Came all the way from Toronto, the Hacksmith. I couldn't believe it either. Let's show you how he did. So James from Hacksmith popped over to the unit. You're getting the first look at this thing. No one else has raced on it yet. We just finished building it about 2 or 3 days ago. Right. So you're pretty much testing mode here. So I don't know if giving you a fastest lap chance is an advantage or a disadvantage.
I guess we'll see.
Because it may well break on you. But we're going for 3 laps. So you're on the start line, you've gone for the Night Rider. So it's 3 laps all the way around. I'll be on the timer. If it flies off, you've got to get it and stick it back on. Let's give it a go.
All right.
Have you done Scalextric before?
I have not.
Have you not?
No.
Do they have any sort of slot car racing in Canada?
I've heard of it before, but I've never really seen it. So.
Oh, it's massive over here. Right, I'll count you in.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go. 1. 2. 3. Boosh! What a flying finish that was.
That was the time.
That was a good time. I reckon I haven't even logged the time yet, and I think I'm going to struggle to beat that.
22.8.
22.8. That is fast for 3 laps.
Pretty good.
That is good. And
that's
you don't
like
even have Scalextric.
7.3 seconds a lap.
Yeah, that's
pretty
good.
quick.
And you don't even have Scalextric in Canada either.
No.
No. So you've not done well. You've not done bad there at all. Brilliant. Right. Well, we'll let you know if you end up on the top of the board.
All right.
But you're certainly at the top of the board to start with.
Thank you.
Great. That's it. Would you like to set a time on this?
Yes.
Whilst in your...
Yes. Can I be a businessman and do Scalextric?
You can. You've got to come around here though. So 3, 2, 1, go. That's a cool bit. I think to set a time on this.
Yes. Can I be a businessman
It's not my kind of business.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go. There you go. That's a cool bit. I think to set a time on this.
Yes. Can I be a businessman?
Yeah, that's it.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go. 2. You're on for good time. 1, 3, 22.75. Right, let me add your name to the board. I'll put Shawn, KidsInventStuff, yeah? Yeah. You've got to sign it, Shawn. Come on, 3. I think I wrote your name to you. 22.75. Signed and sealed. Right, let me add your name to the board.
I've got into business now.
I'll put Shawn, KidsInventStuff, yeah? A small break from business right there.
No, and yeah, good luck to business today. And see you later for more business.
I think I wrote your name to you. That's it. Now it's legit. Signed and sealed.
Thank you very much.
Get it onto the board. Let's go. I'll get the top watch going.
Let's try and do it. Here we go.
3, 2, 1, go. Nice. 24.68.
There you go.
You're on the board. Oh, good time. 19.68. Oh, so close. 25.8.
Well, not bad since it's been like how many years now?
Two, one, go.
Oh! That was a false start, that one.
That was a false start. I'll give you a false start.
Yeah, it's on the red. Bring it back here.
Right now, do that, but not terrible.
I got a bit excited.
Yeah, it's got to go into
Can't
the
go faster.
Okay, alright. Try again.
3, 2, 1, go.
No. Absolutely no chance.
Watch out, dude, watch out.
1. 5, 2.
Sorry, it's probably good.
Come on, you're doing well, you're doing well, you're doing well.
Right.
Oh, 20 seconds.
Oh man, that's too slow.
20.45.
Okay, it's 4, but still.
That's 4.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Right, so Matt, 20.45.
4th place.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, that's good.
Johnny, over to you.
I can half it. Watch.
That's confident. That is confidence.
I'm not even going to get done.
You're going to get 1 lap.
No, I'm not. Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, I think we have a quick start. I'm going! Yeah? Time. I'm joking. Right, no, Scan, you've been mad about 40 years practice with this.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, ready? Alright, maybe I'll try one. I'll do it. Yeah, screw it. I'll take it a bit slower.
3, 2, 1, go.
Come on.
That's good. Solid one. 2, 2,
Speed up with it.
Oh, you did.
Don't stop on track. Was it a bit slower?
I feel like you know they need another one to get this brother rivalry really a bit closer.
What was it?
Well, you're 23 seconds.
23, what were you? That's not, you've got
barely on the ball.
5 years of Scalextrics on me.
That's a good time. That's not bad.
Not
Fair
great.
play.
Not great. Respectable.
Respectable, I think so. Fair play, let's get them on the board. So, Joel, you've seen the track. You reckon you can do a fastest 3 laps?
Easy.
Give it a go?
Yeah.
Time to beat is 19.18. That's my time on the board.
Okay, I'll do
Thanks, pal.
2 seconds.
2. So, here you go, challenge is on. 3, 2, 1, go.
Easy.
Give it a go?
Yeah.
Time to beat. So,
Yeah.
time to beat. So, your fastest lap was 20.4. Ah! Put you 20.4. That puts you 4. Okay, I'll take 4. It's a good score. It's good. Yeah. Thank you.
Wahey!
Nice. Solid, respectable. Love it.
Thank you guys.
So something happened while I was away filming. I was top and then I wasn't. What happened there?
You see this trigger here?
Yeah.
It was flat to the mat,
Was it?
and
Did you?
it's done very well. And
You've knocked the entire second out. You weren't even like just pick me. It's a full
well,
second.
I think matey on the timer might have not been watching and accidentally started the clock a bit a couple of seconds.
And I believe
too
that
late.
was Rick.
It was, yeah, unfortunately.
Yeah, you've got a good man on the inside then if he was timing for you, right?
But it's been yeah. It's been really good fun though. I quite enjoy this. I'm still doing it now.
Oh, so
look.
are we letting it stand? That's the big question.
Oh, what? We're gonna race now?
Are we letting it? Well, we could do.
Oh no.
Right then. Big race to see if you stay on top of the leaderboard then, yeah?
Oh god, we're tied at the now? moment.
Yeah, come on,
no.
boy, not tied. We'll see if your time stands.
you're-
yeah?
you're-
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, what? We're gonna race now?
Look, the best man
Oh no.
win.
Yeah, but it's 3 laps. This car, you're on a massive this car. Looks like Matt managed to stay on the track.
I'm gonna lap you in a minute. I'm doing that well.
What has happened?
I'm on the last lap.
what?
We're
We're
only
gonna
on the
race
first
now.
day, the black car has been absolutely pasted. I mean, I think the magnet's been flying off. Oh, I'm not even close. It's the cars. I'm surprised that car stayed on the track.
Oh, what? We're gonna race now?
Are you taking that, are you? I mean, flying off. We'll see who can beat it tomorrow. I'm not even close.
Yeah.
Sam, look, mum, no computer. Step right up.
Gonna give it a go.
3 laps.
So I haven't had a Scalextric in my life. I only had the mini one.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's
This
see
is
if we
the
can get a big
digital
one.
set. This is like 2 steps up from that.
The big boy.
It's 3 laps round. You have to go around 3 times.
Yeah.
No computer. 3, 2,
Go.
1, 3 laps.
Go. Electrics in my life. I only had the mini one. That was a slow start.
This is
And I'm
like
already
2
off.
steps up. No, you get a few false starts. That's how it goes.
Oh,
If you want you to get a
the
good time
pressure's
the board,
on now.
You can do
Damn
this.
it. Oh, which side was it? Was this side?
Any side, yeah. That was a slow start.
And I'm already off.
2, 1. No, you get a Oh! Pressure's on now. That's good.
That was a slow
Come on, guys. Come on.
And I'm already on.
No, we'll get the, you get more. Go on. Oh. Pressure's on now. That's good. It's good.
Gotta just keep it cool.
That's 21.58.
And I'm already on.
I'm on the board anyway. Yeah,
cool. Mid-table. Oh. Look at that.
I'm happy with that.
Good time.
Yeah, that's alright. I'm happy with that.
Yeah, someone's bouncing off. I think
And I'm already on.
Bloody hell.
No, we'll get the. We get a little bit cheeky.
I'm happy with that.
I want to take it home. I do want someone to win.
Yeah. Take what home?
This. I think I'll
Bloody hell. I would have tried harder.
So we got Mark Peach from Peachtree Crafting, friend of the show.
Thank you.
Yeah, we couldn't let this track not be raced on by yourself. 3, 2, 1, go.
Almost.
seconds, 23.15 gets you on the leaderboard.
How did I do?
29.65.
Oh wow.
I think I was kind to you that time.
You were so
You're on
kind.
the board. 24.23.
24.23.
Yeah, that puts you on the board.
I'll take that.
Oh, yeah.
Right. Just about on the board.
Shawn's time is 22.75. We'll see if we can beat it.
I hate competition.
3,
Yeah.
2, 1, go.
Oh, we're off.
That's a false start. We'll go again.
Oh, thanks. I got excited.
You get a couple of false starts. 3, 2, 1, go. Slow and steady. I'm liking it. More confidence on the second lap.
Yeah. I'm just like easing into
You're
it.
building up.
I'm just gonna absolutely hammer. Whoa! I'm
Okay,
the
good.
third.
Yeah, that's it. 22.86.
It was slightly faster, but I like, you know. Is it the worst? Oh no, okay, I'll take that.
You're mid-table. Are you above
mid-table,
James? You're
and
above...
the car is worse. So
you're
I think we should take
0.6
2 seconds off of that.
Yeah, you could. I would actually knock a second off of that.
You know when they put like wet track, dry track, but we put Ruth and then put it in brackets, knackered car.
I'll put wet track.
Yeah, wet track, that's it, yeah. Ta-da! Beautiful, there we go. I think I could knock 6 seconds off, we'll give it.
So we've got Matt Gray over for a lap. One of the last ones, so now you can see all of the times on the board.
Yeah.
Yeah, 18.18 is pretty crazy fast.
I'm going to beat that.
Yeah? Well,
Yeah.
I think
I'm going to beat that so high that I'm going to go all the way around and end up right at the bottom.
That is more like you. But let's go. 3, 2,
You said let's go. So
3, 2, 1, go.
slow and steady wins the race.
That is it. Measured. You and 2 disadvantages there.
Yeah.
We'll give it.
That's 2. You and 2 disadvantages there.
Yeah.
24, 25. That is a good lap. That's a good time. 24, 25. You're on the board.
Yes! Have I beaten anyone I've heard of?
Well done.
Oh, I'm just on the bottom of the board, aren't I? We're going to have to move everyone up to the...
Sort it, don't worry. There you go.
Yes!
Love it. 24, 25. I'll
Have I
get
beaten
that.
anyone I've heard of?
Sure it fits. So we've got another contender. Richard from Major Havoc. Step right up.
I've already stepped up.
So I count you in. 3, 2, 1, go. "21 seconds, it is a good time. Get it on here.
Put me on the board.
That is a good time. 24.05.
What was it?
24.05. So I got 23.86, which puts you pretty high up the board.
How you doing?
23:06. That's a good lap time. That's solid.
Not bad. I had some drift there. I'm pleased with the drift. Was it a wet lap? I think it was a wet lap.
It was a wet,
Definitely a wet
lap. I forgot about that, you know.
Yeah. Well, basically, because it's a wet lap, what's the time?
23:06. Fab.
But you see, because it's a wet lap, there are no other wet laps on there. So it's the top.
Don't argue that with Tom Lamb.
Top of the wet laps. Was it wet? Was it wet when Tom did it? He had a dry lap.
Yeah, he did have a dry lap.
Is it you? Yeah. Oh, well, Mr. Scalextric man.
Thank you.
Have you come to claim your prize?
Well, it won't be long, will it?
Did I beat Sam though?
No, you didn't. 2 seconds of it.
After all that.
Alright, John. That's 21.881.
Oh.
But that is good. Did I beat the Hacksmith?
Take that. You have to stand here next time. Got a bit of a way to go. I'll get some practice in.
Right, so I'm here with Colin. You've had a mental couple of days. This is right at the last show. You're the last person racing on it.
Yes, last person. Right, are we ready? We've got 18 to beat.
3 laps round?
Oh, it's 3?
3 rounds.
Oh, right, I thought I was, okay, right.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, yes, last person. Right, we ready? Ah.
That's good. Done well
right,
there.
I thought I was...
Go.
What? I've just been stood here for 5 minutes and I've never gone up on them corners. You pointed the camera at me. Right.
One of the best laps yet, but you've not.
Second off Mr. Lamb, eh?
Yeah, and just behind me.
I've just been stood here for 5 minutes. I'll take it. Never gone up on them.
19. Yeah. Quality.
That's all right.
Yeah, nice one. Love it.
Right. Boom.
Happy days. What a beast. Smashed it.
On the board.
Love it.
Right, I better go and pack up.
Quality. Thanks very much, mate.
Excellent.
So the results are in. We had loads of makers, creators, customers, people visiting the stand, loads of lap times logged. A lot of people crashed straight off the course, which meant they were basically never going to get a chance. But we've had loads of valid entries, some great times. Colin Furze up here, 19:19, just behind me. We've had some other fast times, but we only had one winner, and it was flipping pipped me by a whole second. He did get a few laps practice, but he smashed it. And that's Tom Lamb, 18:18. So he is the winner of the Makita case. What do you reckon, Tom? Are you a Makita man?
I am a Makita man already, so I'm quite shocked, to be honest, because there was queues and queues of people here all day long.
Yeah.
And I knew I'd done pretty well, but I was one of the first ones to race the cars around the track.
Yeah.
And as the 2 days went on, whether the brushes started to wear out a bit and they lost a little bit of...
They have been absolutely roasted for 2 days.
They've literally been going around for 2 days solid.
Yeah.
As for this, I don't really know what to say, actually. I'm pretty shocked by it. And also as well, not only do I get the Makita stuff, I'm getting all this...
It's all in foam, and the rifle case. It's a new pole rifle case.
Yeah.
So it's proper solid, and it weighs a bit with all this lot in it.
And the best thing about it is, I can use all my other batteries.
Yeah.
On this, if I had Milwaukee or something, it would be like really difficult to use, but now I can just sort of, don't get me wrong, I'll be using these all the time.
Happy days.
All the time.
We're going to a good home. Congratulations.
Thanks very much.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Click subscribe, click the bell icon so you don't miss any future builds, and we'll see you in the next one.
Don't forget to buy some shadow foam off these guys.